Fast-forwarding towards 2024, several positive developments stand in the background of the world of cryptocurrencies. Investors and analysts are filled with optimism as a new wave of trends and regulatory advancements heads out to leave a massive imprint on the market. Major trends and developments. Bitcoin spot ETFs and approvals. But an even more important milestone now stands to drive the market upward: the expected approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs in the United States. These ETFs will enable mainstream investors to access Bitcoin, which will increase institutional investment and perhaps drive the price up. This also explains why so many analysts are still quite optimistic and believe that new all-time highs for Bitcoin might pop up in late 2024, with the April halving and changes in regulation that could possibly make owning and trading Bitcoin easier, just like any other financial asset. Tokenization of real-world assets. One of the most promising trends is the tokenization of real-world assets. Digital tokens on a blockchain will represent physical assets, be it real estate, commodities, or even carbon credits, by transforming these classes of assets into digital tokens, hence democratizing the access to these classes of assets and many others, enabling smaller investors to enter markets where before only big players could operate. In fact, the transparency and efficiency brought about by the use of blockchain technology could in fact really revolutionize traditional finance systems. Ethereum still stands at the base of the cryptosphere, but there is a massive upgrade underway. EIP 4884, also known as proto-danksharding, is probably going to shred those ever-soaring gas fees, reducing transactions to be cheaper and more affordable. Besides, the Layer 2 protocols of Polygon and Arbitrum are working rigorously to ensure that Ethereum scales to accommodate many more transactions at a faster pace and reduces the cost. This will also increase adoption and innovation on the Ethereum network. Green energy and sustainable cryptocurrencies. The environmental burden of cryptocurrency production was undoubtedly one of the most debated issues, but the tendency toward designing greener energy use within the framework of more environmentally sustainable cryptocurrencies will be definitely on the rise. Projects like Cardano, ADA, and Solana, SOL, lead the way in hosting energy-efficient consensus mechanisms. The two-horned shift offloads this, making it environmentally safe and attracting environmentally conscious investors. Decentralized finance and institutional integration. DeFi expands further with the integration of KYC protocols that will once more draw in institutional-grade liquidity. It would enhance security on DeFi platforms and their conformity, which would foster even more trust and participation from traditional financial institutions. With clearer regulation, DeFi is set to play a significant role in the broader financial system, creating new yield and investment opportunities. Economic and market outlook. Global stimulus plans and inflation are two of the most anticipated market influencers that are believed to be capable of shaping the future of cryptocurrencies in 2024. Government stimulus plans, especially in the face of economic difficulties, are likely to assist in public spending, and in turn, lift inflation. These factors will drive more investors towards digital assets, since cryptocurrencies are supposed to be a hedge to inflation, with their limited supply and independent nature from governments. Conclusion. Indeed, the sanguine view toward 2024 harbors very little doubt in store for cryptocurrencies. So optimistic, with time, a change in regulation and possibly economic force or technology gain adoption. There is a need for investors to keep an eye out for such progress from real-time events such as spot Bitcoin ETFs, tokenization of real-world assets, sustainable crypto projects, or evolution in decentralized finance. As always, thorough research and a keen understanding of market trends are irreplaceable ingredients for navigating this dynamic and fast-changing landscape.